Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. This is going to be a quick one. Going to have to talk quick. This is about Killinger handles and the fact that I am in love with them. This is just a small sampling of the handles that I've dealt with from Chris Killinger, Killinger USA official. They're awesome handles, I gotta tell you. They've inspired me to make that handle. That's a custom handle I make. You can find handles like that one exactly, on hudshobbyroom.net. You can't find better handles. You just can't. Where are you gonna find a handle for an ads? Look at that. That's a quality handle. Chris, you're doing it right. Thank you.